Hey guys, it's Shah here, the Tech Borg, and today's video we're going to be doing Python, and in Python we're going to be doing specifically more to replace occurrences of a particular thing in a string. So, for example, let's say we had my name is whatever. So let's say I have my name is John. Yeah, okay. Now, if I want to replace everything in there that has a to, I don't know, like for example, replace all instances of a with and sign. How do you do that? It's very straightforward, 2-3 line thing. So you use something called dot replace, and what you do is inside the bracket you'll have like something like this, and what this does is this is your initial, so this is what the value is inside the original string. So this is your original input. The values you'll search for will be these inputs, and then the output will be and like so. And so, okay, so now let's just remove all of that. Let's go for string equals input. Now let's take the input, enter anything, enter a sentence or whatever. And then let's go for string dot replace. Let's go for, you have to write string equals string dot replace, because you're calling the variable and then changing it. I guess that's why you'd have to do this. As in, I think you have to do it. I'm quite sure you have to do it. So let's replace all the A's. Okay, now let's replace all the E's with an and sign. Let's say, and then print string. Let's save this and then let's run this. Okay. So enter anything. Let me just try and get some words with ease. Hello. There. Okay, as you can see, it's worked. Hello. So the E is replaced with the and. The E is also replaced with the and here, and in this last instance here. And that's really it, guys. Very straightforward. So if you ever needed to replace, let's say, a specific input with something else, like someone's typed something and you want to replace all the instances with a particular character, you want to assign it, not assign, sorry, you want to change it. For example, let's say the user enters I can't think of any useful examples of where this would come in, but let's say you have, I don't know about encoding, but let's say you're just trying to, yeah, actually I think it might work for code encoding. Maybe the user enters, let's say, like a password, like hello. Okay, now it's replaced all the E's with and. Now let's say we want to make the password like even more like encrypted. Like, I don't think this is how encryption works, but this could be seen as one way to block out hackers. Maybe I think this is a good example, like, because we're changing what the string is after the input, right? So it'll be harder to trace back unless the hacker finds out what the back tracing is. For example, the and is E. Until the hacker doesn't find that out, they won't know what it is. For example, let's replace all the A's with an exclamation mark. Now let's make a password consisting of A's and E's. Okay, let's go for AEIOU. As you can see, the new password that the systems generate, i.e. encrypted version, is exclamation mark and IOU. So let's change all of them one by one. Actually, let's see how much encryption we can get on this. So copy and paste it a couple of times. Change AEIOU. Let's assign them all different things. Okay, this is unsuitable. Go for a pound sign, go for a dollar sign, and go for a percent sign. So save this and run this. Go again, AEIOU, and as you can see, it's encrypted it quite well. And that's really it, guys. This is the only example I can think of where it would be useful as an encryption, I guess. You could work it the other way as well, obviously. For example, you could enter the encrypted code and then you could, i.e. you do the opposite replace and it will give you the version that's in letters, I guess, in this case. So that's really it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's quite straightforward. I mean, I don't when it comes to level of usefulness for this code, I think it is quite useful if you're just making like a password maker or something like that. Yeah, some kind of encryption maybe in your code. This is quite useful. And yeah, that's really it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, comment, subscribe.